Connectivity enhances the Tesla driving experience by providing access to features that use data. Turn your phone into the key to your Tesla, stream music and media, and make or receive phone calls with Bluetooth. Standard connectivity provides access to most connectivity features over Wi-Fi, in addition to basic maps and navigation and music streaming over Bluetooth. Premium connectivity provides the ability to access all connectivity features over cellular in addition to Wi-Fi, for the most intuitive and engaging ownership experience. Pairing your smartphone to Bluetooth allows you to make and receive phone calls, access your contact list, and play music. To pair your phone or a Bluetooth device, unlock your phone and enable Bluetooth. On your Tesla's touchscreen, select Controls, Bluetooth. Wait for your phone to appear and select Connect. Confirm the number displayed on your phone matches the number on the touchscreen, then confirm pairing on your phone. If prompted on your phone, specify whether you want to allow your Tesla to access your personal information. When paired, your phone appears under Paired Devices. To specify a phone as a priority device, toggle on Priority Device. To receive the latest over-the-air software updates available for your Tesla, ensure your Tesla is connected to Wi-Fi whenever possible. To connect your Tesla to a Wi-Fi network, select Controls, Wi-Fi. Your Tesla will search for and display detected Wi-Fi networks within range. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to use. Enter any necessary passwords, then confirm. You can also use a mobile hotspot for internet connectivity. After connecting to your hotspot, select Remain Connected in Drive if you want to remain connected while driving. For more on Tesla products, subscribe to Tesla Tutorials on YouTube.